Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, regenerative braking system, power brakes, autonomous braking, voice activated navigation system, leather upholstery. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.